In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add passcode to your Telegram wallet. This is crucial for safeguarding your funds and personal information. It provides an additional layer of security, protecting your wallet from unauthorized access even if someone gains access to your device or Telegram account. To do this, simply head to Telegram. Onto your settings page, head to Wallet. On this page of Wallet, tap onto these three dots on upper right corner of the screen and select Settings. You want to head to Passcode. Tap on Enable Passcode. Enter in a 4 or 6-digit passcode of your own choice. Enter it to confirm. Your passcode will successfully get added. You might sometimes be required to enter in your email address to confirm. Well, that's how easy it is to add passcode to Telegram wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.